Hi friends, I'm here with a delicious food that is called eggplant roulette. The ingredients are 3 eggplants, 100-gram ground meat, an onion, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, half a teaspoon turmeric, a quarter of teaspoon pepper. Grate the onion in the meat. Sauté and heat. Add turmeric. Add pepper. Pour a little water to cook. Add tomato paste. Finally, add salt. Peel the eggplants. Cut the eggplants into the thin slices. Fry them. Place the eggplants crosswise on top of each other. Pour some meat in the middle of it. Put the slices on top of each other and close the eggplants. Put them in a dish. Fry 1 tablespoon tomato paste in oil. Pour some water. When it boils, pour it over the eggplant to cook. It takes 15 minutes. It's ready to eat. Enjoy your meal.